Okay, if you don't want mushy feeling Shimano 105 brakes, this is what you can do. First of all, make sure your brakes are bled, there is no air in the system. If you have done that and your brakes still feel mushy, here's what you can do. You get a syringe, fill it with Shimano mineral oil, attach it to the bleed nipple, loosen the bleed nut, and apply a little bit of pressure on the syringe. That way you pressurize the system. Then, while you're holding the pressure on the syringe, you tighten the lock nut. Probably your brakes are going to drag at that point. So you just loosen it up and you can modulate really fine with the syringe, pulling it and releasing a bit of pressure, tightening the lock nut again and testing your brakes. This way you can fine-tune the brake feel and your brake levers won't feel mushy.